Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be talking about cartography. So cartography is the art of science of creating maps. Yan ang definition. It involves the representation of geographic areas, physical features, and human-made structures using visual symbols, scales, and okay, basta you read those. That was definition from Copilot. So today we're gonna apply cartography in the previous data that we created. So, halimbawa, so, ang building natin, we're gonna change the color to, ano na yan, beige. Yan, so you have another building layer. Yan. So, cartography, it's like you wanna make things clear for the person who's gonna be reading your maps, no? So, putting in mind the reader and putting in mind the theme, then you kind of create your own like style. So over here, parang halimbawa lang, yan, I made a sidewalk color grayish. And then yung road natin, gray din. Kasi parang people, di ba? When they think of sidewalks and road, parang gray because of the color. So yan. Then yung pier natin, gray din. And I guess over here, anong ginawa ko? Okay, I think I forgot to connect the pier to the road. So I'm just gonna digitize and add more polygons here to connect. So I'm turning on and off the satellite imagery. As previously in the previous tutorial, I got this issue with my satellite imagery. Parang it doesn't show at a certain scale. But anyways, I mean not the imagery but the features. But anyways, let's go. Continue. So I'm just gonna add another polygon, connect the pier, and then okay, and then there we go. Then I think I'm gonna merge this, the pier. Okay lang yan kahit hindi straight. Basta may disclaimer naman tayo. Okay. Bakit dinelete? Okay. I'm using the polygon construction tool. And then okay, I'm tracing. Yan, okay. Then so I guess here I just want to make sure hindi overlap, no? Oops. What happened there? Ay, nako. So then what happens? Yan, I guess I'm gonna merge it. Yan. Okay, okay na yon. Okay na ba yon? Okay lang siguro. Parang may kulang akong vertex. But that's okay. Okay ba? Oh no. So I add another vertex. Okay. So I've stopped editing. So tapos ng editing ko. So continue na naman. What am I gonna do next? Okay, I'm gonna change the thickness of and the color of the road center line. Change it to white. Halimbawa lang white. White kasi, 'di ba? Yung mga pavement natin white. So parang pina-reflect. But that is not actually the pavement marking, no? Okay, now what am I doing here? Yan, yung label natin. We want to make beautiful labels. Okay. Elementary school. Ayan. So I don't want to repeat the labels. So yan. Remove duplicate labels. Okay. Tapos, ayan, nag-change color. Blue, bold, size. Okay. Okay. Parang gano'n na ba? So, yan. We made our vegetation area greenish. Yung playground or park greenish din. Recreational area green. Tapos I guess I'm changing the color of the building here to parang orange. So I guess okay naman kahit anong kulay. Maybe most of the buildings hindi naman siguro. But anyways, let's say our building are all orange colored. And I guess I changed the track and field color too. Okay. Tapos, so there are some data here that I made, and there are also some data that I got from this website, PhilGIS Data. I was able to download a free GIS data. So salamat na lang yung sa those people that made those data available for free. I do not know what happened to the website. Ngayon hindi na ako nakita. So I downloaded this PhilGIS data mga 10 years ago ata. So that is like showing here like I guess the barangay boundary you see. Okay, that's all our cartography talk today. Thank you. And we'll use our data for the next map.